Hi, this is Ron from FML Diversify. Sitting here waiting for transport today, going out to the thrift store. Just to also share with you, there's places for people who don't know, those may know, and those who don't know, that there are stores that you can go to and buy different things that are reused, sometimes never used, and they're called thrift stores. And they sell clothing, they sell housewares, that's like dishes and towels, sheets, things like that. Just to let you know. And then they have days where you can take and have different colors. They have special offers, and you'll get like the merchandise, if it's that color of the day, for like 50% off. And it's a good place to be able to gather things. Sometimes they can be as much as the grocery stores and not grocery stores, department stores, which is a bummer because, you know, a lot of things come through people, donations to them. Yet at the same time, if you don't have it, then it's a good place to shop. You could get children's clothes, baby clothes. Sometimes you can get furniture, depends on the different ones. Yeah, so I just wanted to, not a bus decides to come by me, to encourage those who don't know about thrift stores and flea markets, that there are other places that you can shop at and find things. When I was younger, I heard of them. I really didn't know too much about them. It wasn't the Goodwill or like they had the Salvation Army. Sometimes you could go to churches. They're doing church bazaar sales, tag sales, especially during the spring and summer. You could get housewares and things for your family. So don't count yourself out. The one thing about God is universal, and He's able to do the impossible and make different things happen and go on. So just wanted you to be encouraged that I know the holidays are coming, and it's tough for people. A lot of people are going through a lot of things. A lot of people are encouraged, and a lot of people are discouraged. Some people are happy, some people are sad. But I just want you to know that God makes a way. So don't be stressed about buying gifts and things like that. And a lot of times people buy gifts, but it's not what people really want. And then kids are finicky. They might get it, they might love it, they might not even look at it after you get it. It's not what they thought it is. So try not to put yourself in any debt. You know, if it's credit cards and things like that, just remember, a week after Christmas, that's when everybody starts getting those credit card bills, and that's what you don't want. You don't want to be stuck with a whole lot of bills, and you could barely make the payments, and then with that compound interest, that's a lot right there. So just be encouraged, and definitely go ahead and do what you gotta do. But I'll be coming back with some more. All right, you have a great day. I'm off to some more shopping, not for the holiday, but get my house together and doing business. All right, be encouraged. Talk to you later. This is Fern from FML Diversify. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.